Hello, everyone. My name is Jennifer. I'm the CEO and founder of the Instant Boss Club, and I'm so excited to be walking you through some Instagram tips throughout the next 5 days. These tips are going to be short and sweet and right to the point. I am a no fluff kind of girl, and so let's get started. Number one tip for me would be keywords. People don't understand that Instagram is actually searchable on Google, and there's a new feature that allows you to be ranked in Google using keywords. But first of all, I want to start right underneath your profile image. In bold letters, you'll see that I have hashtag fashion blogger, hashtag instabossmob. So this is a section that Instagram labels as your name. So most of you have your name there. So you'll see this time and time again where somebody like me, Insta Bosses, would have my name in bold letters right underneath my profile image, Insta Bosses. That's not what you're going to want to do. You want to put your keywords there, and let me show you why. So I'm going to go over into the search engine on Instagram, and I already have some pulled up here, but I'm going to search hashtag fashion blogger because that's what I have saved in my section up there. So hashtag fashion blogger. I'm going to go over into people, and you'll see that my account pops up first, right at the top there. And that is because I'm actually using the hashtag fashion blogger, not just fashion blogger. But if we look over at some other accounts, you'll see she has fashion blogger in her account, fashion bloggers. So all sorts of different people that have that in that bold section. So be thinking about what is your keyword and is there a hashtag that's relatable to that? So for me, my branded hashtag is hashtag InstaBossMob. So you'll see here, InstaBossMob. If I type that in, that my 3 accounts are going to pop up there at the top because that is what I'm using there in that section. So like I said, be thinking of what those keywords could be. That's not going to get you ranked in Google though. The new thing that came out that is very interesting is called alt text. And alt text is basically for people that cannot physically see your Instagram post. So they're going to read about it. So I'm going to go over into this image really quickly and show you what I mean. So I'm going to click the dot here in the top right hand corner. I'm going to click edit. From there, you'll see in the bottom right hand corner, it says add alt text. So here is where I'm going to want to add those keywords, but I'm also going to want to explain what's in the image. So I would put something like 2 girls in t-shirts that say, and then I'll put what the t-shirt says on there, featuring business owners on an entrepreneurial website, just big keywords. For me, that's entrepreneurial, businesses, that sort of thing. So I would think about what I want to put there and put it in that alt text. So you don't want it to be too long, but you don't want it to be too short. You want it to be just right. But by doing this and putting your keywords in there, it's going to label it on Google, which is crazy that Instagram is now an SEO kind of business and kind of website that you can basically, be searchable on Google. This is crazy. So I want to get off topic of keywords for just a little bit to talk about something that is equally just as important. So that is your link inside your bio. So I see a lot of you have just one link to your Facebook page, a link to your Twitter account, a link to the homepage, a link to one of your freebies, etc., etc. What I have done, and I'll show you quickly, is my link opens up multiple other links. So I have a link to my blog, a link to the hashtag library, a link to join the club, a link to join the hashtag challenge, boss tips, all sorts of different things inside of this one link. So I've created this on my actual website, but for those of you that aren't as tech savvy, you can check out linktr.ee. And I used to have Linktree, and I still really like Linktree. I'm testing out the website version right now, but I may even switch back to Linktree depending on my results. So Linktree was great because if you see here, it has links to all sorts of different things. I had my blog and all sorts of, join the club, blah, 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 inside of this one Linktree. And I was able to put the link of this inside of my Instagram bio. So when someone clicked on my Instagram bio, this is what they would see. So what was great about Linktree is I was able to see how many times somebody clicked on each one of these buttons. And I could click the ones that were the best performing, I could move those closer to the top or rearrange things how I would like. You could also add in your Facebook pixel code, which is great for those of you that run Facebook ads, because anybody that clicked on these links, I could redirect a Facebook ad to, which is very important for Facebook ads. Any of you that are doing that know that. So I'm going to jump back over into their profile. So Linktree does have a paid version. I'm not sure how much it is. I think it's like $8 a month, but that gives you that pixel code and so much more other things. But there is a free version, and the free version is what I just showed you here. That was what mine looked like. So that's very important, is making the most out of that link. So adding in multiple links into that one link is very beneficial for you. Another great thing to keep in mind is for those of you that use Instagram stories and have more than 10,000 followers, be sure that you're using the swipe up feature. For those of you that have less than 10,000 followers, you don't have that option. That's just something Instagram has put into its algorithm, is you have to have 10,000 followers. So like I said, for those of you that don't have 10,000 followers, be sure that you're utilizing IGTV. So if you see here, I dropped down that menu. It says, check out these features. Want to learn more about Instagram? Check out instantbossclub.com. That link is a clickable link. That is super important for those of you that don't have that swipe up feature. Be utilizing that. You can also use hashtags there, and you can also tag other accounts there, and they are clickable links. So I just wanted to jump over on that topic really quickly because it is an important topic to talk about. I am going to quickly show you, when we talked about earlier when we started this video, about our name section, that bold section with the hashtag Instagram tips and the hashtag InstaBossMob. For those of you that don't know how to edit that section, I wanted to quickly show you how. So what you're going to do is go over into Edit Profile. From Edit Profile, you're going to click on that name section. There you're going to add in those hashtags or add in this keywords, whatever you decide. Remember that testing this area out is going to give you the best results. So just because I'm using hashtag fashion blogger right now does not mean that I may be using that tomorrow. I'm testing that out. If it works for me and I seem like I'm getting a lot of followers, I'm gonna leave it up. If I'm not, I'm gonna change it out into something else, a different hashtag or a different keyword. So I hope that you learned something new today. I love teaching you all some amazing tips. This group is a fantastic resource for women helping other women, and I've just loved being able to help you today. I want to make sure that I'm answering every single person's question. So if you have a question anytime throughout the week, be sure to drop it in the comments below. At the end of the week, I'm going to make sure I answer every single person's question. Even if you have multiple questions, I will be answering them all on the last day of the week. So be sure you drop those below. Like I said, if you learned something new today, be sure to drop that comment below. I would love to follow your Instagram journey with you. Drop your Instagram profile so I can follow you today. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow, where we'll be talking about hashtags. Hashtags are so important, and we're going into the nitty-gritty of hashtags. I'll see you all tomorrow.